Charlie, do your thing when you hear the beep.
Listen, you lousy SOB, I will not be treated like this. Either you call me, or you are going to be very, very sorry. I love you, Monkey Man.
Charlie? Who is that?
Damn telemarketers.
A telemarketer who calls you Monkey Man.
I'm on some weird list. Okay, it's a woman I went out with once. She got a little clingy.
You are a bad, bad boy.
And yet, you're always the one getting spanked.